AI tools encompass a wide range of software and applications that leverage artificial intelligence techniques to perform various tasks. The question remains, how can we use those tools in various industries and domains to automate processes, make predictions, analyze data, and support us in all the streamlining of administrative tasks? This video will shed the light on Tome.app. This is its logo. This platform can help with quick and easy transformation of the work you've already done. Just paste in a document and see it gain depth and clarity. It automatically builds a narrative from your text and generates matching images to illuminate your point. Tome is a new medium for shaping and sharing ideas. You just need to speak your mind, whatever you want to say. Tome helps you figure out how to say it without losing the focus that you have in terms of making your own point. Tome is an AI powered storytelling tool that enables anyone to create and share immersive narratives quickly and easily. The platform combines an interactive canvas with an AI storytelling partner that can help users generate presentations, outlines, or stories with one click. It will provide you the text and images. If you are searching for it, you should be getting this as its front page, so you can try it and explore its features to understand how you can utilize it to support you as an educator or a teacher.